So I've got a really special idea for one today. I got pretty much creative freedom with this particular pen. Buyer basically said that he's got a friend who's got all the pens he could ever want. And if I could make a pen for a fellow pen turner, something that they would not have or think of or do themselves, what would I make? And so this is what I've come up with. So I've got a piece of Amboyna Burl, which is a very rare wood, little expensive, and it's got a live edge here. So this right here is the same piece, and then this piece right here is a cutoff from the opposite end that I flipped over and put on this end, leaving me this void section here, which has very organic curves, very natural lines. It's got some peaks and mountains and things in here that are going to give me a very natural flowing section that I think looks kind of cave-like. And then I'm going to fill in this back area here with some glow powder and some opals. We're going to use some blue-green opals in this section, give it like a natural kind of water flowy area, make it look kind of cave-like, and then we'll go through, turn it down to the bushings, seal it up, and then we will get it polished and assembled. This is going to be for a cigar pen. And I've got this blue titanium one here, which is going to be even more special to have the blue matching the opals. So that's going to be an extra fun addition to this already customized pen. Now, one thing of note here that I do have to be very careful while turning is the fact that I've got this giant open cavity. I don't want my tool to fall into that gap. So I'm going to be turning at full speed, but also because of the natural effects of this wood, I did get a crack right in here where there was bark in this section, and so when I dried this wood out, it did crack here, so I have to be careful of that. I did fill it in all with CA glue, get it fortified, but I do have to be very careful while turning this area because of the organic openness of this section. I'm going to be turning proud of the bushings in order to guarantee that I have space to do my inlay, and then I will do my inlay and then get it turned down flush. done up, put together. Got really good fitment on all the parts. Here we go with the ink. Goes out real nice and smooth. And check out that opal field. Absolutely beautiful. Did have a couple of sections where the glue solidified, didn't quite get opals into those spaces, and that's all right. I think that overall is a gorgeous pen. Really beautiful Amboyna Burl on that. I think the dark blue parts on this really accentuates the blue in the opals. Makes for a really, really pretty pen. Really happy with how that turned out. It's definitely one of the most nervous I've been doing a pen in a little while. But that turned out spectacularly. Just about everything that I envisioned for the pen. Love this cave-like effect that you get with all of the opal gems and stuff in there, just sparkling. Looks like you're looking down into an opal cave. Really, really pretty. Time to get some photos, get that sent off to my customer.